Hi, Unity of Tulsa. It's Reverend Victoria Loveland-Coen here, and it looks like I'll be with you for a while. And I am so looking forward to it. I'm so looking forward to getting to know you better. And I thought of a way that we can do this. I thought maybe one Sunday a month we could have a Q&A. And that way I get to know what you're thinking, what you're working on, how to better support you on your spiritual journey. So all you'd need to do is submit your questions like by Thursday to Diane, and she's going to compile them and send them to me. And then on Sunday, I'll attempt to answer them. And if you want to put your name on them, that's great. I will address you personally. If you'd rather remain anonymous, that's fine too. But first, I am so excited to share with you my new talk series based on the 5 principles. And I know you may be thinking, the 5 principles, I know what they are. It's kind of basic. But I promise you that when you dive deeply into these principles and work with them one at a time, not only do you better understand your own divinity and the divinity of everything and everyone around you, but you have an experience of it. You experience it. And also, you begin to embody your power as co-creator. So you might want to get a copy of this book, The 5 Principles by Ellen Davenport. This is the one we'll be using mainly. And I understand Diane has copies of this, so you might want to go see her. And I highly encourage you to form a book study group and get together once a week and discuss these principles, maybe meditate on them, and then come back the following Sunday. I think you'll find it really helpful. In the meantime, much love to you, and I look forward to starting on the first Sunday in February. Peace and blessings.